A new month just started and finally October has been started. Now in that short term, Bitcoin is still crashing towards the downside. I'm gonna tell you exactly why this is currently happening and what we could be expecting next. Because I have two scenarios right now outlined what I think could be happening next. So I will be explaining that exactly and much more in this update video. So guys, can we once again push up the likes? Back above the 100 likes, that will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look in towards a short term. And yes, first of all, Bitcoin has been crashing absolutely towards the downside. But at the first sight, this is looking very bad, right? Because we were having this uptrend over here. First of all, this downtrend, right now breaking it in towards an uptrend with this double bottom breakout towards the upside. And right now, we are just seeing a little bit of a fake out at this current moment. So at the first sight, this is looking very bad for the Bitcoin price. But if we're going to be having a deeper look into what's the market, first of all, in that imminent short term, we are actually developing some kind of a bullish divergence. So definitely in that imminent short term, a little bit of a bounce and a little bit of a relief is going to be expected. Now, I think we're going to be seeing this relief at the very least towards this level of previous support right now turning in towards resistance, and then we want to be having a look in towards whether we're going to be seeing a rejection or if we're going to be seeing a break back above. And that is going to be very important and very decisive, because depending on the reaction from of this level over here, well, I think one of these scenarios is going to be playing out. Now, we'll be talking about that exactly a little bit later. First of all, do keep in mind that in that imminent short term, we are having this uptrending level of support, and currently Bitcoin is exactly getting supported at this current moment. So yeah, I am going to be expecting a little bit more of a further bounce from of this level. But if we are going to be breaking down below this level, we really need to have a look in towards lower levels getting reached. And in my opinion, we need to be having a look in towards this level over here getting reached, which is going to be coming in at the 61.7k or approximately the 61.5k level. So yes, if we are currently going to be having a look in towards the stock market, well, the stock market yesterday has been bouncing off very nicely towards the upside. So I find it kind of weird how Bitcoin was crashing this much towards the downside, while the stock market still performed quite bullish yesterday. So maybe potentially a little bit of a catch-up trade right here to be made. At the same time, the Bitcoin funding rates are also very, very low. Over on Bybit, even negative. So that is also looking very bullish for the Bitcoin price. So a little bit of a bounce is of course to be expected. But if we are going to be breaking down low, definitely at the same time, lower levels are also going to be expected. Anyways, I definitely see these two scenarios going to be playing out for the Bitcoin price over here, and one of these two scenarios is going to be both of these scenarios are going to be making a lot of sense. Because first of all, we are going to be having this scenario to be seeing this break towards the downside and then a move towards the upside. In this scenario, of course, we are going to be hitting that 61.7k level, that 61.5k level, and then we're going to be bouncing off towards the upside. And in my opinion, this would make a lot of sense. Why? Because we have, of course, started a new month, and October has been started, and a lot of people have actually been buying out of anticipation of October, basically, and probably this whole trend towards the upside has been getting initiated because out of anticipation of October. So this might be a little bit of a buy the rumors and sell the news event, because everyone is getting excited because of October. Well, right now we might be seeing a little bit of a sell the news event, but do keep in mind that historically speaking, well, October is actually very bullish. Having a look into what's history, yes, we have actually started a very bullish month, so that is not to be ignored. So that is why I'm thinking maybe in the beginning of October, we're going to be seeing a little bit of a shakeout, and then also having that buy the rumors, sell the news event, and then ultimately still in the month of October, still closing it bullish with a very bullish momentum being built up towards the upside. So yeah, I just think that this would make a lot of sense. So do not get fooled by the Bitcoin price action right now. I think it is going to be a massive trap. Now, of course, we also do have that scenario that we are already going to be blasting off towards the upside right now. Because do keep in mind that we have just started a very bullish month right now. Given history, well, we are about to be blasting off this is going to be the time. It could be happening any moment. So anyways, I am still going to be bullish over here. Anyways, guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading right now, make sure to be checking out that first link down below, because over on OKX, you can right now be claiming a 30% trading fee discount and a 60,000 US dollar deposit bonus. So make sure to be checking that one out. Now, on top of that, over on Bybit, you can be claiming a 500 US dollar free trade and a 40,000 US dollar deposit bonus. So make sure to be checking these two links out with that link down below. Sign up in a new account right now over on Bybit, over on OKX, and claim your free bonuses. Anyways, yes guys, on that larger time frame, it's still going to be exactly the same. Still waiting for this massive breakout over here. Nothing has changed. I do still think that this could be happening in October. And of course, this breakout over here is going to be absolutely massive. I think that something like this could be happening next whenever we are going to be getting our bullish breakout. Anyways, talking about some politics, it's still going to be about a 50-50% chance if Trump is going to be winning or Harris. Now, we are only 35 days away from the election, so it is getting very exciting right now. What is going to be happening right here is going to be very important for the markets, because if Trump is going to be winning, it's going to be bullish for the market, but if Harris is going to be winning, it's going to be actually bearish for the market. So this is going to be very important. Let's see what is going to be happening. It's going to be getting very exciting in the coming couple of weeks. Anyways, altcoins are still bouncing off and still performing actually quite strong, while Bitcoin is going towards the downside, and we can start to see that the Bitcoin dominance is decreasing ever so slightly. So this is looking very good again. Now, we are not seeing our crazy altcoin season yet, because this move towards the downside is still nothing compared to what we are about to get with a crazy altcoin season that we are about to see anytime soon. I mean, it has happened every single cycle, so this cycle I do think it's going to be happening once again. Something like this, Bitcoin dominance falling very hard. Now, this might just be the beginning in this short term right now, so let's have a look how this is going to be playing out. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.